If you're a childminder and you're looking for an affordable, professional way to advertise your business, keep watching your space. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to build a website on the Mighty Sites platform. If you aren't familiar with Mighty Sites as yet, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with different side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for an affordable price. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. Great thing about that free trial is you don't even have to put your credit card details in, so make sure you click on the link below this video and give it a go. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, Childminder. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marty such a few basic details about our business or side hustle so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my city and my state or region. And it doesn't quite matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business to service. Click on continue and let multi-site generate a simple website for my business using all the information I've just put in. And look at that, it's literally done it in not even 5 seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites, the platform, is we've pre written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images that you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe make one or two amendments to that content that was pre written for you. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding. You don't need to be a web professional of any sorts, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So I'm going to make my way to the first section and show you how to make some slight amendments to the templates. Let's click on the first section at the top. Go ahead and pop in our email address over here so our customers can easily reach out to us. Let's tick that box to make sure it's visible on our website. I'm now going to go ahead and pop in my phone number, and that is click to call, by the way. Now, if you have a physical location, maybe you're not mobile, you have a physical location, go ahead and pop that in over here. Otherwise, leave it off. Great thing about that location, if you have one, when your customers click on it, when your website's live, it will automatically take them to Google Maps. Under update social links, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. The icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Let's go ahead and update our logo if we have one. If you don't have one, I recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of great free options on the website. Logo's been uploaded. If you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate, add filters, frame, zoom in, go ahead and click on that little pencil. Otherwise, click on save, and over here on the right, you can make it bigger and smaller and customize it. Excellent. Now, with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you want to change them, maybe you have a specific color palette in mind to go with your branding or your logo, go ahead and click on the little paint bucket. No color coding needed at all. Awesome. Let's go ahead and try another color palette. Great, that really stands out. For each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. Over here you can browse your device and upload your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from. You can play around with the keywords a little bit and just see what images pop up. Awesome. Under update content, you can change the content to suit your business needs. Buttons can link to various places. Go ahead and click on choose link. You can link to another website. Maybe you take calendar bookings, perhaps, or you want to link to another website. Otherwise, you can link to an action like click to call, directions, click to email. And another option is to upload a PDF file of your services. Over here in the About Me section, you can put details of your childcare experience and how you got into the industry. Sure, your customers would love to know, all the parents. In the last section over here, all the parents can reach out to you with their queries. All they need to do is put in their details, click on send, and you will get notified via your registered email that you have a new lead from this form. You'll also find all your leads over in your Marty dashboard. If you have a custom domain, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Click on this button over here. If you'd like to purchase a domain to make your website look even more professional, go ahead and click on this button. Under your Mighty dashboard, you'll find your leads under this section over here that I've just shown you at the bottom. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website on the platform for your business, and really wishing you and your business mighty success.